Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic technology, we are going to be looking at animals too. So it's like a continuation of the previous lesson on animals, okay? Do we understand that? Today we're still looking at animals with the part 2, okay? So we are going to be looking at the adaptive traits, okay? The adaptive traits. These are special things about animals that help them live in their homes, called habitats. For example, a long neck helps a giraffe eat leaves high in trees. Some animals have sharp claws to catch their food or defend themselves. Some animals have colors that help them hide, like a chameleon changing its skin color. Birds have strong beaks to crack open seeds or catch insects. Okay, do you understand? Animals have special features that help them survive in their surroundings. Okay, they have special features that help them live in their homes. It's like having the perfect tools or superpowers for their environment. Do we get that? These traits can include things like sharp claws, strong beaks, or thick fur. Okay? They make it easier for animals to find food, stay safe, and be happy in their habitats. Do you get it? These traits are like having a superhero suit customized for each animal's own. Okay? So, adaptive traits are the cool and unique things that make each animal a champion in its own way. Do you understand that? Okay, good. So next we're going to be looking at size. Animals come in different sizes. Some are big and some are small. Okay? Size can help animals find food or hide from predators. Do you understand? Size is how big or small an animal is. Some animals are big, like elephants, while others are small, like ants. Do we understand? Just like people come in different sizes, animals do too. Size is how big or small an animal is, and it can be an important tool for them to live their best lives. We have example of big animals, elephants, right? Elephants use their size to scare away enemies and reach tasty leaves high up the trees. Okay, we also have small animals like ants, mouse. They are small as your hand, right? Tiny. Ants are tiny. Mouse are like small like your hands. Mice are quick and can fit into tiny spaces to stay safe, right? So big animals might need their size to protect themselves or find lots of food. And small animals can be quick and sneak into little places to hide. Okay? Good. So next we're going to be looking at coloration. Coloration is about the colors and patterns animals have on their bodies. It's like the special paint job that helps them fit into their surroundings. Okay? Just like we wear different colors, animals have their own unique colors and patterns on their bodies. Okay? Like a chameleon. An animal that can change its color to match the leaves or branches it's on. It's like a master of disguise. Okay? Another example is the peacock. It's a bird with vibrant, beautiful feathers. The peacock uses its color to show off and attract friends. Okay? So animals use color to hide from other animals or to stand out and make friends. Okay? Some have bright colors to warn others that they might be a bit tricky to catch or taste yucky. Do we understand? Good. Diets. Diets are what animals eat to stay strong and healthy. Just like people eat different foods, animals have their own favorite meals. Animals eat different kinds of food. Some eat plants, some eat other animals, and some eat birds. Do you understand? Animals like to eat, okay? And they have their special menu called diets. Just like how you have your favorite foods, animals have their own preferences. Some animals eat plants. Those are called the herbivores. They eat plants, okay? Some eat other animals. They are called the carnivores. Some animals eat animals. And some eat both. Some animals enjoy both plants and animals. They are like the food adventurers of the animal world, okay? Do we understand? So eating the right food helps animals grow big and strong. Different diets help animals survive in their homes by providing energy they need. Okay? Good. So we are going to be looking at the characteristics of living animals. Characteristics of living animals is what makes animals alive and special. Just like how you have your own unique traits, okay? Animals have things that make them who they are. Do we understand? These characteristics are response to stimuli. Animals react to things happening around them, and this is called a response to stimuli. It's like how you might pull your hand away if you touch something hot, okay? Animals react to things happening around them. Do you understand? Like when a dog wags its tail, it's responding to the joy of seeing a friend. Okay? Energy and metabolism. Energy is like the fuel animals need to move, play, and grow. And metabolism is how their bodies use that fuel to stay active and healthy. Eating food is like putting gas in a car. Metabolism is the car's engine, turning that gas into energy to go. Okay? Animals need energy to play and grow, just like you need food. It's like their own power source. Do we get that? Homeostasis. Homeostasis is like an animal's superpower to keep its body balanced and healthy. It's how they stay just the right temperature and keep everything working properly. Homeostasis. Animals keep everything in balance. Imagine sweating when it's hot to cool down, like building in air conditioning. Okay? Adaptation. Adaptation is like an animal super skill to change and become better suited for its home. It's how they upgrade themselves to handle challenges in their environment. Okay? You can think of it like if you moved to a snowy place, you might wear warmer clothes, right? Animals do something similar to survive in their homes. Okay? Adaptation is important because it's like having perfect tool or superpower to deal with whatever nature throws at them. Animals change a bit over time to become the superheroes of their habitats. Okay, do you understand? Adaptation helps animals become experts at living in their own special places. Okay, good. So today's lesson on animals part 2. We understood everything, right? We talked about the adaptive traits. There are special features that helps animals survive in their homes, right? We looked at size. Animals come in different sizes, from big to small. And these sizes help them do specific things, right? Like finding food or hiding from predators. We also looked at coloration, colors and patterns on animals' body, how it helps them hide, communicate, or warn others. We looked at diets, what animals eat. Herbivores eat plants, right? Carnivores eat animals, and omnivores eat both plants and animal, right? Diets provide the energy animals need to live and grow. We said all that. We looked at the characteristics of living animals, response to stimuli, energy and metabolism, homeostasis, and adaptation, right? So we understood today's lesson. Okay, that is good. So next we're going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? Okay, that is good.